Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your wealth building with Salesforce stock. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your wealth building with Salesforce stock, start by conducting thorough research on Salesforce as a company. Familiarize yourself with their business model, product offerings, and market position. Analyze their recent financial reports to understand revenue growth, profitability, and future outlook. Next, check historical stock performance to identify trends and its correlation with overall market movements. Consider industry comparisons, looking at competitors and market conditions that may affect Salesforce's performance. Develop a clear investment strategy focused on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Determine how much capital you can allocate to investing in Salesforce stock. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, ensuring it offers easy access to Salesforce stock. Once your account is funded, access the stock trading platform. Search for Salesforce stock using its ticker symbol, CRM. Consider dollar cost averaging by investing a fixed amount of money regularly to mitigate market volatility. Monitor relevant news and market updates, as these can impact Salesforce's stock price. Join online investment communities to discuss insights and strategies with other investors. Stay updated with Salesforce's quarterly earnings announcements and significant company news. Review your investment portfolio periodically to evaluate your strategy and adjust as necessary. Consider setting up alerts for significant price movements or market changes related to Salesforce. Remember to diversify your overall portfolio to manage risk effectively. Focus on the long-term growth potential rather than short-term market fluctuations. Stay patient and keep learning about market trends and investment strategies along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.